Hi guys, in today's video we will be talking about whether it's possible for you to open a Chime account if you are under 18 and what options are currently available for teens. So first of all, before applying, it's very important for you to know that Chime's standard checking account is only available to the individuals who are at least 18 years old. So if you are under 18, you can't open a regular Chime account on your own. Now, Chime offers a teen account feature that can be created and managed by a parent or legal guardian who already has an eligible Chime account. So this allows teens to access the banking features while the adult maintains the oversight. So if you are under 18, the parents or the guardian will need to open and use their existing Chime account and then invite you to join the teen program through the Chime application. So once you are invited, you just have to simply follow the instructions provided by Chime in order to create your teen account, and then you can activate your debit card. You can then access the available banking features, and after completing the setup you can use the teen account for purchases, for receiving money, learning the money management skills, and subject to controls established by the parent or guardian. So that's how you can get access to it. Thank you.